98 Destin. I'm back here today at the beach again to show you like a sunset feed, live beach walk type thing. But I did want to remind you guys that tonight is the very last night that you can order a 98 Love shirt. I have the link in the description of this live video, so you can click that and order a shirt on there. They're only $25 for a short sleeve shirt and $30 for a long sleeve shirt. And 100% of the proceeds are going to benefit ongoing hurricane relief efforts on the PCB area. So please go ahead, click the link below, order a shirt. You only have until midnight. We are only selling them until midnight tonight. So please go ahead, order a shirt. It would really mean a lot to everyone in the area, and we'd love to raise a lot more money to help ongoing hurricane relief efforts. They still definitely do need more funds. So please click that link, support the Florida Panhandle, and that's about it. But I do want to show you guys the beach because it's really beautiful tonight. If you have any questions about the area and visiting and stuff, just click them in or comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer them to the best of my abilities. We are going to go closer to the water, but I want to drop my shoes off by the little shower area thing so I can wash my feet off when I get off the beach. Yes, the spring breakers are starting to come in. They'll probably be here for the next 6 weeks. Temperature right now is 71 degrees. Which is the best beach to see? I mean, they're all beautiful in the area. They're all gonna have that sugar white sand. They're all gonna have the really nice clear water. So really anything in like 30A and Destin is gonna be really beautiful. Right now I'm at Pompano, which is in Miramar Beach. I already announced the winner to the giveaway this morning. It was Rachel Brannon. I am at Pompano again. People keep asking. I'm at Pompano in Miramar Beach. It looks like there's a wedding getting set up, maybe possibly over there. Or maybe just a bonfire, I can't really tell. There's something happening over there. Oh, yep, they have the lifeguards out again. It's definitely spring break season. Is the water freezing? It's not freezing. It's about 68 degrees, so it is still pretty cold. But no, it's definitely above freezing. Yeah, people keep asking if the water is cold. Yeah, it's cold. Who won this morning? It was Rachel Brannon, so she's the winner of our giveaway for 5-night stay. But keep on following us and stay tuned because we do like apparel giveaways pretty often, and we did another like another vacation giveaway at the same home last year, so just stay tuned. We might do more giveaways in the future. What's the water temperature right now? Last I checked yesterday, and it was 68 degrees. How far is Camp Golf from this beach? Sorry, I don't know. Sorry, I don't want to give you guys information that's not right. Don't know off the top of my head. Yeah, it looks like there's a bonfire getting set up right there. It's 5:30 here, our time. We're Central Standard Time. Who won? I'm sorry guys if you've been watching this for a while. I'm gonna keep repeating this because it's a popular question. Rachel Brannon won this morning. Okay, thank you guys for answering the Camp Golf question. I don't know, I've never been there. Sorry guys. But it says, Robin Clark says it's about 1 mile east of here. how long have I lived here? I've lived here since about, I think I moved here in the middle of May. Alright guys, so that's all for real now. I won't see you guys until Monday, but thank you for joining me on like an evening sunset beach walk. The sky was so beautiful tonight, and I really enjoy all your questions and getting to know you guys, so I will see you again soon. Don't forget to order your 98 Love shirts before it's too late. You can only do it until midnight tonight. Where am I from? I'm from the Midwest, and have I always wanted to move down? Sorry, I'm answering your questions. Have I always wanted to move to Florida? I wouldn't say it was always a goal of mine, but this is where I got a job after I graduated college, and there's just a lot of other reasons why I think I was just meant to be here. But yeah, so I will see you again soon, guys. Bye!